Airlines lose 2 million checked bags per year, and they've been cracking down on the number of bags travelers can carry onto the plane. It's no wonder interest in one-bag travel is at an all-time high. But you don't need to spend a fortune on fancy gear to make one-bag travel work, especially if you're just starting out. So I was challenged to build a one-bag travel setup for under $100, and in this video, I'll share 6 budget-friendly one-bag travel essentials you can get on Amazon that will help you do the same. Let's start with the obvious. You're gonna need a bag. You want something carry-on friendly, typically 35-liter capacity is a good place to start. This Beraliy travel backpack is a great option that has some thoughtful specs for less than $35. It's got a 35-liter capacity with expansion capabilities and is made of durable, water-resistant polyester. It has a roomy main compartment to hold your clothing with straps to help keep things in place. As you open the main compartment on the lid, there are 2 built-in pouches for organization, including a wet pouch for swim trunks or toiletries. Speaking of toiletries, this bag also comes with a separate clear liquids bag you can use for airport security, which is awesome so that you don't have to drop additional money on a toiletry bag. There are 2 additional front pocket compartments. One is a laptop sleeve that can fit a 16-inch computer. It has a hideaway shoulder strap, a second grab handle on the side, a trolley sleeve, and a water bottle pocket. It also has an external pass-through port so you can charge your phone or device with a power bank on the inside of the bag. A nice touch. The quality of the bag is honestly surprising given the price point. It boasts a 4.5-star rating from over 1,000 reviews on Amazon. I think this is a great starter bag if you're budget conscious or wanting to test one-bag travel, and it comes in 6 different colors. If you're traveling internationally, a good universal travel adapter is a non-negotiable. Now, we're personally partial to adapters by Epica, but to meet the challenge of building a setup for under $100, every dollar counts. And the Macrae Universal Travel Adapter is a good budget option. For less than $16, this 6-in-1 adapter features 1 AC outlet and 5 USB charging ports. 2 are USB-C-A and 3 are USB-C. The interchangeable AC outlet covers over 225 destinations, including the USA, Germany, Italy, Thailand, Japan, Australia, and more. This single adapter should cover most of your charging and plug-in needs abroad. When you're traveling light, your smartphone becomes pretty crucial. And the last thing you want to happen when you're trying to use Google Maps or communicate with your Airbnb host is for your phone to die. That's why you need a good power bank. This particular power bank is simple but effective. It has a slim profile, making it easy to pack, and can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously with 2 USB and 1 USB-C outputs. Sure, it's basic, but it gets the job done. And at just $10, it's a steal compared to most power banks, which start at $30 or more. If you find yourself on airplanes more than even a couple times a year, a set of noise-canceling headphones is a no-brainer. But finding a budget-friendly pair that doesn't compromise too much on quality is tricky. These Uliptz wireless Bluetooth headphones are compatible with all Bluetooth-enabled devices and offer decent audio quality for the price. Now, don't expect Bose here, but they aren't half bad. They have a long battery life, offering 65 hours of playtime after a full charge. The ear cups are made of memory foam, so they're comfortable on your long-haul flights. They have a foldable design, which is ideal for one-bag travelers looking to be mindful of space. A reliable water bottle is a must-have for any trip, and for under $10, the POWCAN Insulated water bottle is a solid budget pick. Here's a couple reasons why. First, leak-proof lid, just in case things get tipped over in transit. Second, this bottle has both a straw and a spout drinking option. The spout is a must for air travel because cabin pressure builds up and anything with a straw will explode water all over your lap. Believe me, been there, done that. It's dual-walled insulated stainless steel, so it's gonna keep your water cold. This 18-ounce version fits in a car cup holder and has an easy carry handle. It comes in a bunch of fun colorways and has 4.5 stars on Amazon. Simple and travel friendly. If you've watched any of our packing videos, you know Nick and I are big fans of packing cubes. They help save space and keep your clothing items neat and organized. For one-bag travel, you won't need all 5 of the packing cubes included in this pack, but 1 to 2 will go a long way in keeping things in your bag orderly. The key thing about these packing cubes is the compression component that will help save space, key for a one-bag traveler. All right, that's all 6 basic one-bag essentials, and at full retail, our total came to $99.94. And we've linked this exact setup below if you want to check it out. Actually, for several of those items, I was able to find discounts and coupons, getting my total under $95 when you factor those in. So depending on when you're watching, you could possibly get an even better deal. If you're looking for more one-bag packing tips, watch this video where Nick breaks down the items experienced minimalist travelers are no longer packing in their bags. Thanks for watching and happy travels.